In this lesson, we'll discuss Java, the programming language used to code Android apps. Since this isn't a course on Java, and it's a big topic, I'm not going to explain Java in detail. To develop Android applications, you'll need at least a basic understanding of Java and object-oriented programming. So here's the approach we'll take in this course regarding Java. First, I'll give you links to resources you can use to learn or brush up on Java. Second, as we go through the lessons in the course, I'll point out Java constructs for which you might need to refresh your knowledge. Third, at the end of this lesson, I'll show you how to load Java onto your computer if you haven't already loaded the Android Developer Tools bundle, which includes Java support. So let's take a look at some Java resources. I've divided the resources into overviews, references, and courses. These will be useful not only at this point in the course, but also as we move through the lessons. The first overview resource is a good overview of Java. A bit of history, Java platform, syntax, some examples, etc. There are, however, some differences between pure Java and the Android implementation of Java, and these are discussed in this second overview resource article from Wikipedia, a comparison of Java and the Android API. Android uses a special Dalvik virtual machine rather than the standard Java virtual machine. There are a few practical differences in terms of developing apps concerning this, but it's useful to understand the fundamental differences, such as the Android use of registers as opposed to the standard virtual machine use of a stack. And as an aside, you might be asked in Java interviews about this. Recruiters often want to see if you know more than just the surface details of Android. There are also some differences in retrievable system properties that are explained here. And the most important difference is in the class libraries. Android uses its own set of class libraries based on the Apache Harmony implementation of Java. So you should use the class descriptions on the Android developers website as a reference. And there's a link to those APIs here in the Android developers website in the reference section. The third overview link is to a Wikipedia article on object-oriented programming. It provides a bit of history, information on fundamental features and concepts, design patterns, etc. Under references, I've included 3 links. The first is to the Oracle tutorial site for Java. And this site has lots of Java resource links, including those over here on the right-hand side. Pay special attention to the link to Learning the Java Language here. It includes information on object-oriented programming concepts, basic language, classes and objects, interfaces and inheritance, etc. The second link is to the Android APIs that we've already looked at. The third reference resource is a link to Java books on Amazon.com, and they cover everything from the basics to advanced topics. So no matter what skill level you're at or aiming for, there should be a Java book to help you. And the third resource category is courses. And there's 3 courses from Infinite Skills that I recommend. The first is a course on basic Java. The second is an advanced Java course. And the third, a bundle of basic and advanced topics. So for either getting up to speed on Java or for use as reference during this course, this list of resources should give you a good Java base. And now it's time to download Java to your computer if you haven't already loaded the Android Developer Tools bundle, which includes Java. If you have loaded the ADT bundle, you've reached the end of this lesson and you can go on to the next lesson. To load Java individually, let's go back to the Developer Tools graphic and click on the link over here to the left at the bottom to the Oracle Java page. And we want Java SE. Click on here, then Downloads, and you want to download the Java Development Kit, or JDK, not the Runtime Environment, JRE. The JRE is included in the JDK. And Android now supports Release 7, and there are also installation instructions and release notes you can read. If you have any difficulties with the installation, try using Google search on terms related to your problem. For example, problem installing Java SE JDK, and you'll likely find links to discussions related to your issue that can help you solve it. So if you need to, go ahead and click download and install Java on your computer now.